In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a time zone in Sierra charts. So your charts display the time exactly the way you want. So first, make sure you launch the Sierra chart and then head over to the menu bar and then click the global settings and then the data trade service settings. And you will see on the left side is the time zone settings. So click the drop down menu next to time zone and this will should pop out. So select a time zone you want, for example the Dhaka. So pick the one that matches your trading style or location. So once you've selected your preferred time zone, just click OK or apply at the bottom of your charts, and your charts will automatically update to reflect the new time zone. So if you want a different charts to have a different time zones, no problem. Just go to the chart and then chart settings and then the advanced settings and then scroll down and choose a custom time zone just for the chart. And that's it. So your chart is now aligned with your chosen time zones. It's perfect for syncing your with market hours or your own schedule. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.